Yo, guys,
Come in but one color.
there's a Cybertruck right here.
Yeah, I thought it only came in gray.
Yeah.
Damn. Sketchers, give me something spin off right now.
Yeah, Cybertruck. It's actually crazy, man.
There we go, there might be a better picture. That's a way better picture than the glare that I got from the glass.
You want me to really show it to him?
Yeah, show 'em.
Okay.
You gotta be real lucky for that, guys.
Not really, there's a lot of side effects around here.
If I had to have one, that would be the color I'd want. If I had to.
So, guys, that's Cybertruck. That's all for today.